There was a rumor that if you want to be under 21 province, so I went through the trial system.
Okay.
So rumor was you stand a better chance. Let me rather say so. You stand a better chance to play first in Rugby Super League A club to make province than playing at the Super League B club. And I was like, I don't know any top clubs. Like, I know Kloof. I got lots of friends. So I went to Kloof out of my own. Me and Yasvi.
Okay, and then how do you make the first team in that time?
Yes.
Yes. How did that come? Like when you just come here, how was that sessions and everything? You playing with big names and that?
Yeah, look at it. I won't say it was like professional, but it was going towards professionalism, and so it was team meetings. It was a full training. Like we don't train just with 15 men. Like our clubs.
Yes,
It was
yes,
like
yes.
a proper 23, 24 men, 5-man squad. Proper training, hard work. So you had like a proper AFCA pre-season. It was tough. Yeah, and I got to play. So that year, Gold Cup.
Yes.
So that was the first year of Gold Cup. It was called Community Cup at the time.
Okay.